Hello, ladies. This is Christine. We are out in the nice weather in the morning, kind of mid-morning, frisbee golfing. So I'm trailing behind my husband and son. And I thought this was a perfect moment to talk about selective confidence because that's something that I have to fight. And by selective confidence, I mean where when we're in our own headspace, or in our own comfortable environment, we are confident. So I am confident in what I know, what I can do, what I can say. But then when I am faced with a new situation or I come upon other people who start asking me questions, then confidence can start to falter. Does this happen to you? Do you find that you know who you are, you know what you're doing, what your plans are, but then when you're faced with other people, you kind of like stutter. Like if somebody asks you, so what have you been doing? And you only give them a general idea, you don't give them all the plans that you have. Is it because we're afraid of judgment? Are we afraid of what people will say? Are we afraid of people thinking that what we are going to do, what we're planning to do, is not a smart idea? And that's something that we all need to work on. We need to take that confidence that we feel in our safe spots, in our boxes, I guess, in our comfort zones, and kind of push the limit and take that outside our comfort zone. Like, for example, if you have a business idea or if you have a craft idea or a creative idea or any kind of idea that you want to keep on working on or even start, and let's say it hasn't been done before, being able to express that and show that confidence to other people that could be naysayers and just keep on being confident in what you believe. So what do we become afraid of? Is it because other people's opinions will hinder us? Is it because maybe we're not really confident? We play it off as if we are confident, but we really are not confident? Is it because we have self-doubt? Is it because we also agree with them? We don't believe that what we're doing and what we plan to do is not going to work out. But I want to challenge you and myself to carry that confidence that we have in our private moments, in our offices, in our inner space, our comfort zone, and take it with us outside our own comfort zone. Take it out where, when somebody asks you, so what have you been up to today? Or what have you been up to lately? That you answer them with confidence. You don't dither. And you express what you're doing. You don't have to tell them everything. You don't have to justify what you're doing because, well, they're not you. They don't really understand where you're coming from or what your motivations are or even what all your skills are. But I want to challenge you to be able to speak about it. Just use your elevator pitch and use that to kind of start bolstering your confidence when you're sharing about what you want to do and what you're doing. And that's something that I have been working on, and I am kind of almost 100% able to do that in any situation. Yes, there are times where it's like if you're talking to somebody who's either older and successful, or who has kids about your age that are really doing well in life, then you kind of pause and like, will they think what I am trying to do is kind of nonsense or not inspiring? But I want to challenge us to get out of that headspace and change our mindset and just reveal our confidence at any time. Get rid of selective confidence and just embody your confidence as a confident, strong woman. Yeah, so take a few moments and kind of rehearse what you were going to say when somebody asks you next time. So, what have you been up to? What are you doing? What are your plans? I hope this helps you and this kind of starts you thinking in a positive manner in the right direction. Well, bye for now and see you next time. Bye.